What's your good name?
Arjun BP.
Arjun?
BP.
What's your age?
20 years.
20 years. So what problem you had?
I had skin problem, rashes, like allergies. Itching problem.
Itching. Since how long?
7-8 years, sir.
7-8 years.
Yes, sir.
So how you came to know about the miracle drinks?
One of my relative named Shivagour uncle was taking miracle. So he came to my house and recommended. So from there it started.
So when you have started this miracle drinks, you have taken that anti-aging,
Yes, sir.
renal
and
liver care, morning and evening.
Yes, sir.
So afternoon is cardiovascular care,
Cardiovascular.
and plus 2 times flax diet
Yes, sir.
and prebiotics.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the story when you have started this.
1 month back, sir, like I had a lot of itchiness. So when I came here, I seriously had a doubt that it will go or not. But after, like, it was very costly, by the way, medicines were very costly. So I had a doubt that whether it go or not, because I've taken for like 7 to 8 years. So from like since 7 to 8 years, I've not found source of improvement. But when I came here like 10 days back, I didn't find much of improvement, but after 10 days my itchiness has gone completely now. I am very happy for it. And
So now you
fully relieved.
now you tell me
Yes, sir.
regarding cost, as you said that it is a
Cost is whatever cost it is, but it will go for 100%. Now I've got belief, sir. 100% belief I've got.
see now I you can say that it is the cheapest treatment,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because for the last 8 years you didn't find any
No.
relief.
No, sir.
So and 8 years means you can imagine.
Yes, sir.
Right now you are a 19-year-old or
20 years.
20 years old.
Yes, sir.
So minus 8 means 12 year. As a 12-year kid,
Yes, sir.
you are having this problem means how much suffer you had
Yes, sir.
for the last 8 years. So now I am remembering. You have called me also in between.
Yes, sir.
So no any relief and all.
Yes, sir.
What shall I do?
Yes, sir.
I said that you continue for further at least 1
Yes, sir.
month
Yes, sir.
or 2 months. Then you will really see the results.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, great. So you are from which place?
Nagarbavi, sir. I stayed in
Nagarbavi.
Yes, sir.
What you are studying?
Engineering, second year.
In which discipline?
8-year college.
Huh?
8-year college, sir.
What course you are
EC,
studying?
sir. Electronics.
Okay, very good. Thank you.